Some signs fade into the background until the moment you need them most. In this challenge, we're putting 40 of the UK's most common road signs front and centre. From the ones you think you know to those you might second guess, it's time to see how sharp your sign spotting skills really are. Count your correct answers and post your score in the comments below. Question 1. What does this sign suggest is available ahead? A. Ferry. B. Boat launch ramp. C. River crossing via bridge. The answer is A. Ferry. Question 2. What kind of wildlife might be crossing the road here? A. Swans crossing. B. Ducks. C. Wild bird reserve. The answer is B. Ducks. Question 3. What kind of driving conditions might you encounter? A. Dusty road conditions. B. Limited visibility due to trees. C. Foggy conditions may exist. The answer is C. Foggy conditions may exist. Question 4. What type of junction is ahead? A. T-junction ahead. B. Crossroads ahead. C. Side road merges. The answer is B. Crossroads ahead. Question 5. What geographical feature does this sign warn of? A. Tunnel underwater. B. Quayside or riverbank. C. Risk of tidal flooding. The answer is B. Quayside or riverbank. Question 6. What vehicles are not allowed? A. No vehicles laden with inflammable liquids. B. Explosives not permitted. C. LPG only during daytime. The answer is A. No vehicles laden with inflammable liquids. Question 7. What does this sign tell drivers regarding children? A. School zone begins. B. Stop. Children crossing. C. Playground ahead. The answer is B. Stop. Children crossing. Question 8. What kind of bends should you expect ahead? A. Single bend ahead. B. Road narrowing. C. Series of bends ahead. The answer is C. Series of bends ahead. Question 9. What instruction is given by this sign? A. Stop. B. No entry. C. Speed bump zone. The answer is A. Stop. Question 10. What road feature lies ahead? A. Y junction ahead. B. T junction ahead. C. Intersection with give way. The answer is B. T junction ahead. Question 11. What terrain change is expected ahead? A. Steep hill upwards ahead. B. Incline ends here. C. Vehicles with trailers not advised. The answer is A. Steep hill upwards ahead. Question 12. What road condition is approaching? A. Steep hill upwards. B. Slippery road. C. Steep hill downwards ahead. The answer is C. Steep hill downwards ahead. Question 13. Which type of vehicles are restricted here? A. Buses and coaches prohibited. B. Coaches restricted during peak hours. C. Bus stop zone. The answer is A. Buses and coaches prohibited. Question 14. What weight restriction applies here? A. Max load applies only during night. B. Emergency vehicles exempted. C. Vehicles exceeding the indicated unladen weight in tons prohibited. The answer is C. Vehicles exceeding the indicated unladen weight in tons prohibited. Question 15. What kind of vehicles are allowed? A. Passenger vans only. B. Cars. C. Four-wheel drives only. The answer is B. Cars. Question 16. What lane change is indicated here? A. Left lane closed ahead. B. Right-hand lane of a two-lane dual carriageway closed ahead. C. Lanes 1 and 2 merging. The answer is B. Right-hand lane of a two-lane dual carriageway closed ahead. Question 17. What is the traffic condition at this point? A. Traffic merges onto the main carriageway. B. Merge lane from left ends. C. Bypass recommended. The answer is A. Traffic merges onto the main carriageway. Question 18. What height restriction applies here? A. Width restriction ahead. B. Maximum load restriction. C. Vehicles exceeding height indicated prohibited. The answer is C. Vehicles exceeding height indicated prohibited. Question 19. Which animals does this sign relate to? A. Horses. B. Cattle crossing. C. Deer area. The answer is A. Horses. Question 20. What weight regulation applies here? A. Weight advisory applies. B. No trucks over 3 tons. C. Vehicles and loads exceeding weight in tons indicated prohibited. The answer is C. Vehicles and loads exceeding weight in tons indicated prohibited. Question 21. What kind of vehicle restriction does this sign impose? A. No goods vehicles between 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. B. Trucks use alternate route. C. Lorries prohibited. The answer is C. Lorries prohibited. Question 22. What condition might affect your driving here? A. Icy conditions may exist. B. Wet road may cause skidding. C. Cold air warning. The answer is A. Icy conditions may exist. Question 23. What does this sign indicate about vehicles? A. Caravans. B. Camping zone allowed. C. Trailer park access. The answer is A. Caravans. Question 24. What type of weather hazard could occur? A. Slippery road when wet. B. Sandstorms possible. C. Snowdrifts may exist. The answer is C. Snowdrifts may exist. Question 25. What type of weight limit is enforced? A. Speed restriction for trucks. B. No parking for heavy goods vehicles. C. Vehicles and loads exceeding weight in tons indicated prohibited. The answer is A. Vehicles and loads exceeding weight in tons indicated prohibited. Question 26. What signal is displayed here? A. Stop sign. B. Proceed with caution. C. Go sign. The answer is C. Go sign. Question 27. What kind of livestock might be nearby? A. Cattle. B. Animal zone ahead. C. Livestock farm access. The answer is A. Cattle. Question 28. What animal warning does this sign display? A. Wild goat zone. B. Sheep. C. Grazing zone. The answer is B. Sheep. Question 29. What should drivers be cautious of here? A. Wild animals. B. Reptile zone. C. Farm animals only. The answer is A. Wild animals. Question 30. What kind of construction alert does this indicate? A. Men at work sign. B. Uneven surface ahead. C. Roadworks. The answer is C. Roadworks. Question 31. What vehicle weight limit applies to bridge crossing? A. Load restriction on ferry. B. Vehicles exceeding an indicated gross weight prohibited from crossing bridge. C. Axle weight limit only. The answer is B. Vehicles exceeding an indicated gross weight prohibited from crossing bridge. Question 32. What does this sign relate to? A. Playground entrance. B. Children, 2. C. School bus, turn around. The answer is B. Children, 2. Question 33. What type of vehicles are permitted here? A. Motor vehicles, except motorcycles. B. Cars and vans only. C. Motorcycles only. The answer is A. Motor vehicles except motorcycles. Question 34. What type of road joins ahead? A. Junction with traffic lights. B. Road ends ahead. C. Side road ahead. The answer is C. Side road ahead. Question 35. What does this sign restrict? A. Vehicles exceeding width indicated prohibited. B. Wide loads allowed. C. No trailers allowed. The answer is A. Vehicles exceeding width indicated prohibited. Question 36. What kind of pedestrian warning is this? A. Pedestrian crossing. B. Pedestrians prohibited. C. Pedestrians. The answer is C. Pedestrians. Question 37. What child safety warning does this sign provide? A. School bus stop. B. Children one. C. Children crossing ends. The answer is B. Children one. Question 38. What road layout is ahead? A. Change of carriageway ahead. B. Road becomes single lane. C. One-way system ends. The answer is A. Change of carriageway ahead. Question 39. What type of recreational area is ahead? A. Public walkway zone. B. Play street. C. Residential traffic zone. The answer is B. Play street. Question 40. What junction pattern does this sign warn of? A. Crossroads with signal control. B. Junction priority changes. C. Staggered crossroads ahead. The answer is C. Staggered crossroads ahead. And that's a wrap on today's 40 sign challenge. Great effort. Even everyday signs can catch you off guard, which is why regular practice keeps your reaction, time, and confidence on point. Enjoyed the quiz? Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're always ready for the next round. Stay focused and we'll see you in the next one.